CAPSULaser saves the day, tackling shallow antechamber and weak zonule. Removing the cortex was difficult because it was stuck to the capsule. The shape of the capsular rhexis also changed during the cleaning. At first it was round and centered, but with irrigation while cleaning up the cortex it sometimes became oval or irregular. These changes in the capsular rhexis shape and the sticky cortex are signs of zonular weakness. Let's back to our case. I started with 2 paracenteses, 2.4 clear corneal incision, then injecting the capsule blue, and about 1 minute wash it out. While injecting the dispersive OVD in backfill technique, I noticed the lens moved backward, which showed zonular weakness. The triband central landmark is very clear and visible. Now, as we can see, the laser's circle lines up perfectly with the triband central landmark. The laser made a perfect centered capsular rhexis matching the triband central landmark. Then I removed the rhexis. I performed complete hydrodissection and hydrodelineation, as you can see, followed by phacoemulsification using the horizontal chop technique. I divided the dense nucleus into 2 halves, then chopped each half into smaller pieces for emulsification. During this process, the shape of the capsular rhexis changed, which further showed the presence of zonular weakness. As it's clear, here is the last pieces of this dense, then shifting into bimanual irrigation, aspiration through the paracentesis. During the bimanual irrigation and aspiration, I faced significant difficulty when removing the cortex. The cortex was unusually sticky and strongly adherent to the capsule, making the process much more challenging than usual. As you can observe, the shape of the capsular rhexis changed during this stage. It started out round and well-centered, but gradually became more oval or irregular in its appearance. And these changes in shape of the capsular rhexis, together with the sticky cortex, provide clear evidence of zonular weakness in this case. And because of this, I made sure to perform the cortex removal very gently and carefully in order to avoid placing any extra stress on the already weak zonules. It's very clear the cortex clean up and how is the capsular rhexis change in its appearance, sometimes rounded, sometimes oval, sometimes irregular. After that, I inject the cohesive OVD and I proceeded to inject a capsular tension ring into the capsular bag to offer extra support for the zonules. And once the capsular bag was stabilized, 3 pieces IOL implanted, and my plan was to leave the haptics of the lens in the sulcus and use the edge of the optic to capture the capsular rhexis as it's clear, which helps provide additional stability for the IOL. Then doing the stromal hydration for the paracentesis and main incision, and thank you for watching.